Now, I was saying that we started with 5. In a period of 11 months, we were having 80,000 eggs. If we go back, that from the 5 months of the start to the 11th month, these 5 should have laid over 6 times. Then the 40 should have laid over 2 times. Plus the second 100 to lay, or 400 to lay for the second time. Chiba kitegeeza nti when you start with 5 mature chicks or chicken, in just 1 year, you should be having over 7,000 birds. I'm Luigare Kibinga, who is here to see that we share what you need to know, to see that we share what you need to understand. For the reason is being, we are here to present to you what you need to know, to present to you what you need to get. I promised you that of the 6-7 types of chicken breeds, we are going to handle one by one. And today, we started with the local breed. Twatandise na nkoko Nancy, which you normally call a Uganda, but I called them Nancy, local, traditional. We started with 5. In just 1 year, we calculated that we must be having over 80,000 chicks. So, who is viewing? You need to go into all these calculations such that you know and you learn. If we are to go into business, where should we go? If we were to go into poultry industry, which one is viable? My viewers, I continue thanking you. But in case of any consultation, please, I rarely pick calls. I'm proud of that. Sitera kwata masimu, and once I don't pick, at least try to be disciplined. Don't insult me. Because what I'm doing, I do it voluntarily. Teri answer sura. You pay me by subscribing or just viewing. Kuba batono nnyo abampa sente zaabwe. Let me thank those who have contributed for me. But still remember, Madam Nadia Kamara is the one who donated this camera here to me, knowing that people need to be trained, need to be sensitized, such that we share what you need to know and what you need to understand. I said it before. Today, we are on local chicken. Ezo enkoko zetuliko zeza local. Don't ask me again about layers for today. We are now handling local because we need to share what we need to know, and we need to share what you need to understand. By the way, it does not make sense to thank me. Yisa webale nnyo. Yisa, thank you for the very good work because you have opened up our eyes and minds. Gondi, why should you thank me verbally? thank me with at least some, with some money. Awo nja kumanya nti byenkolamu byagala. But you continue sending text messages, except the few. Sister Hope in Israel, nkwagala nnyo. Madam Sonia Walusimbi, thank you very much. Madam Nadia Kamara, I love you so much. Mumbeja in UK. Mr. Deo Kaita. Kamulali. Mr. Martin, Mr. David. David Opraga, you are in Canada. Martin, you are in Canada. Simi, you are in Somalia. Anthony, you are in Nairobi, Kenya. All these, what we are going to say, or what we are doing, I thank whoever is viewing from where you are. My brothers who are in South Sudan, Jacobo, Martin. South Sudan is there. Emma in Rwanda, Ate Gwasinga. Send friend greetings to Daphne there. Mugambe, Mutumide. Now, bino byonna bwe tuba tusomesa ate tongamba nti ate wazze kutumira gundi si gwe wandeese. Omanyi abamu mulina engezigezi. Ate tuli mu kusoma tuli mu kutumira. Gende ewalala. These are my fans, these are my family, these are my people. And if you are a viewer of Luigare, you are my family. So, let's go back. Because I promised you to share everything such that we can do business in chicken. Are we together there? 100 birds requires the house of 10 feet by 15 feet. Eyo ye nyumba omujja enkoko ekikumi. And its construction, you can construct using the materials you can afford to use. Tombuuza nti ate nandizimbye yaki, baamu empisa. So, this is the way how it should be. This should be 4 feet from the ground floor. Then here should be also 4 feet, wano katimba. Then the shelter here, use the shelter you can over the roofing. But here, the katimba have to be 80 feet by 4. This is the way how we can construct the chicken house. But make sure in the chicken house here inside, we put there the coffee husks. Tosiriwala notekamu obukuta bw'embaawo. You will not run away from the diseases like a flu, coccidiosis, fowlpox. All that, it comes from the poor shelter. I'm Luigare Kibinga, reminding you that we are located in the new tax park between Nakawuka and Katoke stage. We are on the 3rd floor. The room number is 482. We hatch all the 7 types of chicken breeds. We make all the medicines from plants for chicken, for piggery, for rabbits, and livestock. Even crop pesticides. I have written a book which contains everything you need. This book contains the common diseases, signs, and symptoms. the transmission control and treatment using the plant medicine. We make a concentrate from lab and jack beans. If you need an appointment to see or meet me, make an appointment with Daphne on 077 5 077 5 10 77 37. Oyo mukubire. If you are an Airtel subscriber, 0780 0741 82 84 05. She's called Daphne. She's my personal secretary. Tomukubira simu kumugamba nti you want to greet me. That's nonsense. Call her, then you fix an appointment. But if it comes that you have given an appointment, make sure you reach at the office 10 minutes before the appointment time. And if I reach there and it exceeds the time we agreed, Nebonobo Yingira will get out and leave you there. Please keep time.